In this video, I'll show you how to turn off any iPhone, even if the screen isn't responding or the phone feels frozen. So whether you just got a new iPhone or you've had one for a while and you're not sure how to power it off, I'll walk you through a few different methods. First, let's start with the easiest way using the software. Open Settings on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap General. At the very bottom, you'll see an option called Shut Down. Tap on that, then slide to power off your iPhone. This method works great as long as your screen and software are working properly. Now, if you want a faster way using the buttons, here's another option. Press and hold the side button and the volume up button at the same time. After a second, you'll see the power screen appear. From here, you can slide to power off your iPhone just like before. But what if your screen is frozen, glitching, or not responding at all? In that case, you'll want to force restart your iPhone. This method only uses the physical buttons and doesn't require the screen to work. Here's how to do it. Quickly press and release volume up. Then quickly press and release volume down. After that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even when you see the slide to power off screen. Continue holding it until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo appear. Once the Apple logo shows up, you can release the button. Your iPhone will restart, and this process can fix a lot of common bugs and glitches. If this video helped you, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who might need it.